Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your black and white iPhone screen back to color. Right now, my iPhone screen is black and white, but you can't really see it due to the screen recording. So to get those colors back, we need to dive into the Settings app. First, scroll down until you find Accessibility, and tap on it. Now look for Display and Text Size, and tap there. Next, scroll down again, and you'll see Color Filters. Tap on that. Okay, here's the magic. The color filters is currently switched on and set to grayscale. To bring back all those lovely colors, simply toggle this switch off. Boom! Your iPhone screen should now be back to normal, showing all the vibrant colors you're used to. Now we can exit out of the settings and start using our iPhone just as we normally would. And that's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.